On this video, we're going to be going through the drainage and a little bit of venting on the main floor of this house that we're working on. All right, so the first thing that we're going to be working on is 3-inch. I always start from a toilet and then I'll work my 3-inch all the way and I'll drop it down to the basement. So in this situation, what I have here is I have a 3-inch toilet. I have a 3-inch stack, which is stack venting the house. And I also have a sink on the left-hand side. So what I do is I figure out my height and my grade from the toilet, and then I work my way over down to the piece that's going to be dropping down to the basement. From there, I will put on all my Ys. So my first Y, I put on a 3x2 Y.